Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Power Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zara.
Hi, Zara. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be here today with all of you. I am very happy to talk to you again, Zara.
Yes. I am happy too, Tom. How are you doing? You look like you have a lot of energy today.
Yes, I have my big water, I have the sun in my window, and I am ready. But, Zara, I must be honest. Yesterday was not a high energy day.
Oh, what happened yesterday?
Well, I was studying something new, not English, but a different topic, and it was so difficult. I looked at the pages and I thought, Tom, you cannot do this. This is too hard. I felt very small.
Oh, Tom, I understand that feeling. I think everyone listening understands that feeling. We all have days when we want to close the book and just stop.
Yes, exactly. I wanted to give up. I wanted to say, no more. This is not for me.
I am so glad you are sharing this, Tom, because that is our topic for today. We are talking about why we should not give up. We are talking about how the hard days, the days when we feel tired or frustrated, actually make us stronger.
That is a wonderful topic. It is very important for our friends who are learning English. English is beautiful, but some days it feels like a big mountain, right?
Yes, it does a very big, very tall mountain. But before we climb this mountain today, we have a small request for our wonderful listeners.
Oh, yes. Everyone, if you like our chats, please click that like button. It is a small click for you, but it is a big help for us.
And please subscribe to English Power Podcast. We want to help you learn every week. When you subscribe, you do not miss our new stories and tips.
And share this with your friends. If you know someone who feels a little sad or tired with their English studies, send this episode to them. Let's help everyone stay strong together.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Okay, Tom, you felt like giving up yesterday. What did you do?
Well, first I made a cup of tea. Tea always helps me think, and then I remembered something my teacher told me a long time ago. She said, Tom, if it is easy, you are not growing. If it is hard, your brain is getting stronger.
Wow, I love that. If it is hard, your brain is getting stronger. That is so true. Think about exercise, Tom. If you go to the gym and you lift a very light weight, it is easy, but your muscles do not change. You need the heavy weights. You need to feel that uncomfortable feeling in your muscles. That is how the muscle grows.
Exactly. And English is the same. When you listen to a podcast and you do not understand every word, that is the heavy weight. Your brain is working hard to understand. It feels difficult, but you are growing in that moment.
That makes me feel better about yesterday. So when I feel frustrated, I should say, good, my brain is growing.
Yes, say hello, frustration. Thank you for making me stronger.
I like that. But Zara, sometimes it is hard to stay positive. Sometimes we study for 1 hour and then the next day we forget everything. We forget the verbs. We forget the vocabulary. It is so annoying.
It is annoying, I know. But here's a secret. You never really forget everything. It is inside your mind. It is just sleeping.
Sleeping. I like that idea. So the English is sleeping in my head.
Yes. And the more you practice, the more the English wakes up. The hard days are the days when you are waking up your brain. Even if you only learned one new word today, That is a victory.
A small victory. I think we need to celebrate small victories more. Do not you think, Zara?
I agree 100%. Many people think, I am not fluent today, so I am failing. But that is not true. Are you better than you were last month? Are you better than you were last year? If the answer is yes, you are winning.
That is a great way to look at it. I remember my first day learning a new language. I could only say hello and thank you. Now I can have a whole conversation. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I am moving forward.
Mistakes are good, Tom. We talked about this before. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. If you do not make mistakes, you are staying in the easy zone, and the easy zone is boring.
Yes, the easy zone is very boring. But Zara, what about the people who feel like they have no time? They work, they have families, they are tired, and then they see a big English book. They feel like they cannot do it.
That is very common. My advice is do not look at the big book. Do not look at the whole mountain. Just look at your feet. Just take one step.
One step? You mean maybe just 5 minutes of English?
Yes, 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes. If you listen to one song in English, or read one page, or watch one short video, that is a step. On the hard days, you do not need to run. You just need to not stop.
Oh, I like that. You do not need to run, you just need to not stop. That is very powerful. It is like walking in the rain. It is slow, it is wet, but you are still moving toward your home.
Exactly. And you know, Tom, in those very hard moments, when the world feels too much, I think it is important to remember our hearts. I always find peace when I trust God.
That is so true, Zara. Sometimes we carry all the stress alone.
Yes, I like to remember that God knows our hearts. He knows how hard we are working. He sees the effort we put into our dreams. When we feel like we cannot go any further, we can ask for strength. We do not have to be strong all by ourselves.
That is a very beautiful thought. God knows our hearts. He knows that we want to learn. He knows we want to communicate and help our families or get a better job. Trusting that He sees our work gives me a lot of hope.
Me too, Tom. It makes the mountain feel a little smaller. It reminds me that I have a purpose. Learning English is not just about words. It is about connecting with people. It is about opening your world.
Yes, and that is why we cannot give up. If we give up, we close the door to so many new friends and new opportunities.
Exactly. Imagine all the people you can talk to in the future because you did not give up today. Imagine the stories you will hear.
Wow, that is very exciting. Okay, so when I feel like giving up, I need to remember 1. My brain is getting stronger. 2. Small steps are okay. 3. Trust God because He knows my heart.
Yes, and number 4, take a break.
A break? But you said do not stop.
There is a difference between stopping and resting. If you are tired, rest. Go for a walk, eat a chocolate cookie, then come back to English tomorrow.
Ah, I see. Rest, do not quit. Like a runner in a race. They stop to drink water, but they do not leave the race.
Perfect. You are a very good student, Tom. You always have great examples.
Thank you, Zara. I am learning from the best. You know, talking about this makes me feel so much better. My hard day from yesterday feels like a long time ago now.
I am happy to hear that. I think our listeners feel better too. It is okay to be a beginner. It is okay to go slow. The only way to fail is to stop completely.
Right. And we are not going to stop. We are going to keep going one word at a time.
Yes, and we are going to do it together. That is why we have this channel. We are a big family of learners. A very big family. I see people in the comments from all over the world, from Brazil, from Japan, from Italy, from Mexico. It is amazing.
It is wonderful. We love reading the comments. It shows us that we are all on this journey together. No one is alone in their struggle.
That's right. So, if you are listening right now and you are having a hard day, please listen to us. You are doing a great job. You are strong. You are smart.
Yes, and do not compare yourself to other people. Some people learn fast, some people learn slowly. It does not matter. It is your journey, not a race against others.
I agree. Compare yourself to yesterday's you. If you know one more word today, you are the winner of the day.
The winner of the day. I love that title. I want to be the winner of the day too.
You are always the winner, Zara. You always help me stay positive.
Thank you, Tom. We help each other. That is what friends do, and we want to be friends with all our listeners too.
Yes, we do. Wow, Zara, look at the time. We have talked for a long time.
Time flies when we talk about things that matter. But before we go, maybe we can remember the main ideas from today.
Oh, let's do that. It was such a good chat. I remember we talked about how being frustrated is actually a good sign. It means our brain is working hard and growing like a muscle.
Yes, and I remember you said that we do not need to run the whole way, we can take small steps. Even 5 minutes of English is a great victory.
Exactly. And we also said that it is important to rest. If you are tired, take a break, but do not quit the race. Just drink some water and come back later.
And the most important part for me was remembering to trust God. He knows our hearts, and He sees our hard work. We can find strength in Him when we feel weak.
Yes, that was very special. And finally, mistakes. Mistakes are our friends because they show we are being brave and trying new things.
Perfect. That is a great summary, Tom. We really covered a lot today. I hope this helps everyone feel a little stronger.
I am sure it will. I feel stronger. I am ready to go back to my difficult study task now. I am going to make my brain very, very strong today.
Go for it, Tom. You can do it.
Thank you. And to everyone listening, thank you for being with us. We really appreciate your time.
Yes, thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe and give us a like if you enjoyed this. It helps more than you know, and we have a question for you in the comments.
Tell us, what do you do when you feel like giving up? Do you listen to music? Do you pray? Do you talk to a friend?
Or you can tell us one small victory you had this week. Did you learn a new word? Did you understand a sentence in a movie? We want to celebrate with you.
Yes, we love reading your stories. It makes us so happy.
Well, that is all for today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you are getting stronger every day.
Yes, do not give up. See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.